Exercise 18.2. Find the area. First question, base and height given. You have to find out the area of the triangle. Triangle area. Triangle meaning this is right angled triangle. How you know this is right angled triangle? Introduction part I already explained. Base and height given. That meaning right angled triangle only base and height. So formula is area equal to half base into height. Put the value. You check it. You have to check it the units. If units are not same, you have to make the units same. After that only you have to put the value. Okay. Here also base and height given. Put it and you will get 16.25 centimeter. Area centimeter square. Unit very important and formula. Here also dm. Dm meaning decimeter. Only 252 decimeter square. Fourth one, base 10.5 meter, height 8 millimeter, half meter and millimeter. You convert in meter, 1000 millimeter equal to 1 meter. Clear? So here convert, divide by 1000, you will get a 21 divided by 500 meter square. Otherwise 4.2 divided by 100 meter square. That is your calculation. You have to solve like this. Okay. Otherwise you want this method also same problem only I done. You can see. Okay. Millimeter square I converted. After that you see. Like this way also you can do. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. Area given, base also given, you have to find out the height. Same formula, you put the value. You will get h equal to 14 centimeter. Second part, area given, base given, one is in millimeter, other is in centimeter. You convert and you will get a 4 centimeter. We are converting and doing millimeter to centimeter. How you will convert? You have to divide by 10. Millimeter you have to divide by 10, it will convert to centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Clear children? Next third one, area and base given, you have to find out the height. One is in decimeter square, one is in meter, you have to convert in decimeter only. Decimeter, base decimeter, how you will multiply by 10. Then 8 dm. Question number 3, find the base area and height. Same problem only, half base into height. You have to put the value, you will get answer. Change centimeter, no problem. Otherwise you have to change it. See, area equal to 3.6 dm square, height 90 centimeter. See here, area half base into height dm square, you convert into centimeter square by multiplying by 10 into 10. So here cut out, you will get a breadth equal to 8 centimeter. Third one, area equal to 3.6 meter, height this much, area equal to half base into height. Check it and cut out, you will get a 4 meter. Question number 4, find the height of a triangle whose base and area, same type of problem, base area given. Put it in the formula, you will get h equal to 20 centimeter. Unit very important. Now question number 5, find the base of a triangle whose altitude meaning height only, 20 centimeter, area 0.8 meter square. Convert to centimeter to meter by dividing by 100. You will get height equal to 8 meter. Okay. Now question number 6, the base and height of the triangle, ratio 8:5. Then base equal to 8x and height equal to 5x. Area 320 centimeter square given. Put it in the formula. You will get a, see, put it in the formula, area equal to half base into height. You will get a 20x square. Okay. Otherwise you can do like this also, area equal to half base into 8. Area 20x square. See here area how much you are getting, 20x square. So instead of area you can write a 20x square equal to half base into height, area given 320. area given 320, cut it, you will get what you will get. After cutting, you will get a x square equal to 16 centimeter. X square equal to 16 meaning 4 square, cut it, square x equal to 4 centimeter. Base 8x, then in place of x you put the value, then you will get a 32 centimeter. Here 5x, put the value, you will get a 20 centimeter. Now question number 7, that is very important question. See here, question number 7. Find the area of triangle ABC, right angled at B. Right angled at B meaning B vertex 90 degree. Right angled at B meaning B should be 90 degree. 90 degree opposite we are calling hypotenuse. In introduction part I told you 90 degree opposite called a hypotenuse. Okay. So 90 degree B, base 24 centimeter and hypotenuse 25. Base 24 and hypotenuse 25. BD perpendicular to AC. BD perpendicular to AC. This sign meaning perpendicular. How you will read? Perpendicular. Perpendicular to AC. That meaning 90 degree. Perpendicular is 90 degree. Okay. Inverse of T, that is 90 degree. Inverse of T, that is 90 degree. So BD perpendicular to AC, that meaning in AC line BD 90 degree forming. This one called a square, that is 90 degree. Okay. So first we will take out the area of ABC, half base into height, but height not given. In right angled triangle you know that one theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. That is the formula. Base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. Otherwise, if you want perpendicular, then hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse is the biggest side. Okay. So 25 square minus 24 square, that is 49 into 1 equal to 7. I told you square how you will take out. First you add it, after that you subtract, multiply. Square root of 49 is 7. That meaning which number multiply 2 times you will get it 49? 7. So 7 is the square root. What we will read? That is square root of 49 is 7. Understood? Right angled triangle, you want perpendicular, yeah, base, yeah, hypotenuse. What is the formula? Only right angled triangle only you can use this formula, that is hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay. So hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. If you want base, here you want perpendicular, then perpendicular want, then base will be moved here or not. Then hypotenuse square minus base square. Okay. I want only perpendicular. I don't want perpendicular square. Then what I have to take? Square root. Square root of hypotenuse square minus base square. Okay. Square root meaning inside the number, which number 2 times multiply you are getting that inside number. That is the meaning. So 49 or 9 we got. Which number multiply 2 times 49 getting 7. Clear? You are getting perpendicular is 7. Now half base into height you are getting 84 centimeter. Children, once you getting the area of ABC is 84 centimeter square, anyway you can find out the area. That area should be same because one triangle area will be same. Any formula you can take out, but area must be same. So another way I am finding the area, but area is 84 only. But now I am taking base is 25 and perpendicular is BD. Like that also I can take half base into height. Height meaning 90 degree line. That is BD. 25 into BD equal to 84. Area already I find out. So cut it, you will get a BD equal to 6.72 centimeter. I hope everybody understood. This problem is very important. This Pythagorean theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Only right angled triangle we are using. Okay. Understand, children? Pythagoras theorem. 18.3. Question number 1. If the circumference of a circle is 220 meter, find its diameter. Find its diameter. Already introduction part I told you diameter equal to twice the radius and radius equal to half the diameter. Circumference given. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. That also in introduction part I told you how pi came and pi, what is pi, what is the value of pi, everything introduction part I explained. Pi equal to 22 upon 7. Circumference given. Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r given to 20 meter. Cut off, you will get a r equal to 35 meter, because see 7 denominator side it will be move up, then 7 into 5 35 meter. Radius given. Radius you find out. Now diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 into 35, that is 70 meter. I hope everybody clear. R equal to 35 meter. You know diameter equal to 2 into radius. That 2 into 35, that is 70 meter. Units very important as well as formula also. Okay. Now you have to find out the area. Area equal to pi r square. Pi 22 upon 7. R already you find out, that is 35. 35 into 35 cut out. You will get a 3850 meter square. Area meter square, because here 35 meter into 35 meter. 2 meters are there, meter square. Okay. Area in meter square. Circumference, radius, diameter, that will be in meter. Okay. Next, question number 2. Area of the circle is 154 centimeter square. Find the circumference. Area given. Area equal to pi r square. 154. Now you have to cut out. See what you will get. R square equal to 7 into 7. Denominator 7 will be moved that side. 7 into 7. R square equal to 7 into 7. One number 2 time multiplication. 7 you are getting. 7 into 7. So R equal to 7. Otherwise you can write R square equal to 7 square. 7 square only 7 into 7. So you can cut out. See. This you cut out. What you will get? Next step, r square equal to 7 square. Square you cut out. R equal to 7 you will get. Okay. R you got. Now circumference formula equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi into r 7. Then 44 centimeter. Next question number 3. From a circular sheet of radius 6 centimeter, a circle of radius 4 centimeter is removed. Circular sheet, 6 centimeter circular sheets. Okay. 6 centimeter radius circular sheet. You are cutting 4 centimeter one circle. Okay. You have to find out the remaining sheet. Remaining means the path. Remaining meaning path. In introduction part I told you path area. How you will find out path area? Path area equal to big circle area minus small circle area. Okay. Big circle area minus small circle area. So big circle area pi, capital R, radius will be large. Okay. Here small r, capital R you know 6 and small r is 4. 6 square you can take. 6 square is 36. 4 square is 60. 36 minus 16. You can like that also. You can find out. Okay. 36 minus 16. What you will get? 20. Here I done like this formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into. This is the easy method. If square minus square, then you add it and you subtract it. That you multiply. You will get a answer. That is very easy method. Okay. If you want, suppose if you want See here, if you want 6 square minus 2 square, suppose, then what you will do? First you add it 8. After that you subtract it 4. Answer will become 32. Otherwise you check it, 6 6 are 36, 2 2 are 4. But you will get 32. This is the easy method. First you add it, then you subtract it, that will multiply. So that today I done here also. Okay. Otherwise you can direct way also you can do it. 10 to 20. See 440 by 7 you divide it, you will get 62.86 centimeter square, because area you are finding. Okay. You are finding the area. Next, question number 4. The diameter of a wheel is 70 centimeter. How many times the wheel will revolve in order to cover a distance of 110 meter? See, diameter of the wheel, that is 70 centimeter. Distance given in meter, diameter given in centimeter. So you have to convert distance to meter to centimeter. That is very easy, multiplying by 100. Okay, that meter will convert into centimeter. Then diameter of the wheel 70 centimeter and the distance is now 110 into 100 centimeter. Number of rotation you don't know, how many time rotated you don't know, but number of after some rotation covered 110 meter. So we will think that n rotation will be there, n time that wheel rotated. Then one rotation meaning one circumference. One rotation meaning one circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. N into 2 pi r equal to distance covered. Okay. Now cut it, you will get a n equal to 50. That means 50 time rotated that wheel, so that wheel covered 110 meter. Clear? Question number 5. The ratio of the radii of two wheel is 5.7. Find the ratio of their circumference. Okay. You have to find out the ratio. Radius ratios given 5 and 7, 5x and 7x. First one 5x radius, second one 7x radius. Okay. Then ratio of their circumference meaning this one SCC, this I only written this short form, otherwise this is not a short form of this. You have to write full. Okay. SCC means small circle circumference, big circle circumference. BCC for writing purpose I written, but you have to write the full. Okay. Then small circle circumference is 2 pi small r. Big circle circumference is 2 pi small capital R. You know smaller 2 pi will be cancel out. R by R. Already you know R, 2 R's, 5x and 7x cut out. You will get a 5:7. Now small circle area, big circle area. You have to write a full. Okay. Then pi r square divided by pi small r and capital R, cutting pi. Then 5x square, r square meaning square. Then 5 are 25, x square divided by 7 are 49, x square will be cancelled out. You will get a 25:49. Clear? Now question number 6. See, two circles area in the ratio 49, ratio 81. Find the ratio of their circumference. Small one circle area divided by big circle area given 49 divided by 81. See, small one small r, capital one capital R. Okay. Pi r square divided by pi will be cancelled out. 49 divided by 81. Then r square by r square. See how you are getting r square by r square is 49 by 81. That means 7 square divided by 9 square. Am I right? 7 square divided by 9 square. After that you can cut out. Then what you will get? See, r square by r square equal to 7 square divided by 9 square. Square will be cancelled. You will get a r by r equal to 7 by 9, that is 7:9. Clear? Small one circle radius 7x, big one circle radius 9x. You put a x value. Okay. small circle circumference, big circle circumference, that is 2 pi r divided by 2 pi r. R in your hand 7x and 9x, 7:9 you will get after cutting. Understand? Now question number 7. Find the area of a circle whose circumference is the same as the perimeter of the square of side 44 centimeter. Find the area of the circle whose circumference is equal to perimeter of the square. Circumference equal to perimeter of the square. Circumference of the circle formula 2 pi r. Perimeter of the square, that is 4 into side. Side given 44. Cut it, you will get r equal to 28 centimeter. You have to find out the area. Area equal to pi r square. Pi into r square. You will get a 2464 centimeter square. Unit very important and formula also. Okay. Now question number 8. A thin wire is bent in the form of an equilateral triangle of side 11 centimeter. If the same wire is bent in the form of circle, find its area. One wire, first with that wire making one equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle meaning 3 sides are equal. 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter. After that same wire, it will form a circle. Okay. Then what will be equal for both the figure? Their perimeter. Perimeter meaning total length of the wire will be equal, because same wire only using for making equilateral triangle as well as circle. So the wire length will be equal for both the cases. So we will equate the perimeter of both the figures. Okay. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3a, and perimeter of circumference and perimeter both are same. For circle case we are telling instead of perimeter circumference. Okay. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Both will be same. Okay. You put it the value and cut it out. You will get a r equal to 21/4. Clear? After that you have to find out the area. Area equal to pi r square. See, area equal to pi r square. Put the value, you will get 86.625 centimeter square. Now question number 9. Same type of question. Question number 9. Form a rectangular metal sheet of size 20 centimeter by 30 centimeter. A circular sheet as big as possible is cut. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Here also they are asking remaining sheet. Remaining, then big area minus small area. Big area minus small area. Big is the rectangle and small is the circle. Big area length and breadth given 20 and 30. Area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. So length is 30 and breadth is 20. Big area meaning length into breadth. Okay. Here area pi r square. Pi r square. Because r how much getting? See, from circle here to here how much? Total length is here to here 20. So center to here half of this 20, that is 10. So circle radius we will get a 10. So here pi r square equal to 10 square, that is 100. Understood? 10 square, that is 100. Radius 20/2 is 10. So put the value, cross multiplication, and you will get a 285.71 centimeter square. Question number 10. A 2-meter wide road runs around a circular park whose circumference is 88 meter. Find the cost of fencing the outer boundary of the road at the rate of rupees 35 per meter. 2-meter wide road runs around a circular park. Circular park. See, circular park. 2-meter road is there. Okay, this is circular path. 2-meter road is there around the circular path. The circumference is 88 meter. Circular path circumference is 88 meter. Find the cost of fencing outer boundary. Outer boundary, how much cost for fencing? Okay. we will find out circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r given us 88. Cut out, you will get a r. What you will get a r equal to 40 meter. Now cost of fencing meaning. Fence meaning, in introduction part I told you fence meaning circumference, that is 2 pi r. How much rupees? 35 rupees per meter. So multiply, you will get a rupees 3520. Question number 11. A square metallic frame has a perimeter 132 centimeter. It is bent in the shape of a circle. Find the area of the circle. Square metallic frame has a perimeter 132. Square perimeter, that is 4 into side. 4 into side is 132. Then cut off, you will get equal to 33 centimeter. Now circumference equal to perimeter. Why? Because the same thing only made one circle. Okay, same thing making that thing only bend in the shape of a circle. So that previous problem also I told you, one wire with one wire only making two things, then both the two things perimeter या circumference will be same. So circumference 2 pi r equal to 4 into side. You put the value, you will get a 1386 meter square. Okay, here I given the clue. One shape bent to make other shape, perimeter will be same. One solid melt to form another solid, volume will be same. Okay, you can check it the hints. One shape bent to make other shape, perimeter will be same. One solid melt to form other solid, volume will be same. Melt.